For sure, artificial intelligence is reshaping the way organizations develop and execute their strategies. We can confidently say, AI's ability to automate, analyze, and generate insights marks a major inflection point, potentially as significant as the rise of core strategic frameworks in the 1970s and 80s. Yet some general statements like, AI won't replace the need for strategic leadership, it is rather poised to enhance every phase of strategy development, from design to execution. Those are very vague statements and don't explain the main issue. So, let's start with a metaphor coming from a healthcare industry and then to go back to the strategy issue again. Imagine a patient, a doctor, and an AI tool. For sure, AI tools will be able to help a lot very soon, from analyzing data from our blood and scans, identifying the key symptoms, to giving some advice how to cope with a potential disease. Does it mean the doctors will be replaced? Not at all, at least for a while. Only their role will be modified. AI tools will play a role of a medical assistant on your smartphone, and, for some medical issues, probably playing the role better than your average doctor, since it's available 24/7 for a couple of dollars. Doctors will be able to use the data and insights coming from the same AI tools to faster identify the main issues, and pair them with insights coming from in vivo conversations with a patient, adjusting and redirecting the generic prescriptions accordingly. That's the point, and some similar trends will happen with strategy as well. Let's explain in more details. AI's role in strategy development. At its essence, strategy involves deriving insights from data, formulating options, making crucial choices, and executing initiatives that generate value. AI and generative AI now accelerate these processes by mitigating biases, improving decision-making, and optimizing resource allocation. The ability to process vast amounts of data enables AI to uncover trends, simulate market scenarios, and refine strategic options at a speed and depth previously unimaginable. While human judgment remains essential, AI acts as a powerful enabler across multiple strategic roles. Researcher, AI enhances data gathering and synthesis, identifying trends and potential merger and acquisition targets faster and more comprehensively than traditional methods. Interpreter, AI translates complex data into actionable insights, helping strategists uncover new market opportunities and assess competitive landscapes. Thought partner, AI challenges strategic assumptions, helping leaders test their ideas against established frameworks and detect blind spots. Simulator, AI models market dynamics, competitor responses, and external shocks, allowing strategists to anticipate potential outcomes before making critical decisions. Communicator, AI crafts compelling strategic narratives tailored for different stakeholders, ensuring consistency and clarity in messaging. Supervision, AI helps with data analysis and performance monitoring during the execution process, allowing the strategist to act promptly on emerging deviations. Real-world impact of AI in strategy. Based on the McKinsey's recent research, a compelling example comes from a Southeast Asian bank that leveraged AI to explore expansion opportunities. The AI model analyzed industry trends, identified high-growth adjacencies, and shortlisted potential merger and acquisition targets. By simulating various scenarios, AI provided management with data-driven confidence in their decisions, ultimately leading to a more refined and effective strategic plan. If you would like to learn more about McKinsey's findings, check the link within the description or resource section. Challenges and considerations for strategy leaders. Despite AI's immense potential, strategists must navigate several challenges when integrating AI into strategy development. Proprietary data is key. As AI democratizes insights, companies relying on generic data will generate generic strategies. Organizations must curate proprietary data ecosystems to maintain a competitive edge. Basically, it's important to distinguish what kind of proprietary data is important and nurture that within your ecosystem, and where to rely on public data with easy AI access. Separating signal from noise. AI can process enormous amounts of data, but discerning meaningful insights from irrelevant information remains a challenge. In addition, AI models are not immune to biases, and their decision-making processes can sometimes lack transparency. Organizations must establish mechanisms to validate AI-driven insights. The role of executive judgment. While AI enhances insight generation, leaders must focus on synthesis and decision-making to avoid information overload. Nurture strategy creation and implementation processes. Keep in mind that the quality of the strategy process is far more important to strategy's success than the quality of insights provided by AI. High-quality processes include, but are not limited to, the development and examination of strategic alternatives, properly accounting for uncertainty, pushing to make bold commitments, and most importantly, taking steps to remove bias from decisions. The future of AI in strategy. As AI continues to evolve, it will play an even greater role in shaping corporate strategy. From automating complex research to providing real-time strategic simulations, AI-driven tools will enable companies to act with greater speed and precision. However, the most successful strategists will be those who balance AI's analytical power with human creativity and judgment. AI is not replacing strategy, it is transforming it. Organizations that embrace AI as a strategic enabler will gain a critical competitive advantage in an increasingly complex business landscape.